Number 11, make small talk. It means to engage in casual or trivial conversation about mundane topics.
I make small talk with coworkers at lunch. I make small talk with coworkers at lunch. Making small talk can ease awkward situations. Making small talk can ease awkward situations. She's good at making small talk at parties. She's good at making small talk at parties.
Number 12, make a sound. It means to create noise, typically with one's voice or an object.
The baby didn't make a sound all night. The baby didn't make a sound all night. Don't make a sound while the baby is sleeping. Don't make a sound while the baby is sleeping. He made a sound to get our attention. He made a sound to get our attention.
Number 13, make a speech. It means to deliver a formal talk to an audience.
She made a speech at her graduation. She made a speech at her graduation. He will make a speech at the conference. He will make a speech at the conference. They asked her to make a speech at the wedding. They asked her to make a speech at the wedding.
Number 14, make a start. It means to begin doing something.
Let's make a start on the project. Let's make a start on the project. He made a start on cleaning the garage. He made a start on cleaning the garage. They made a start on their homework. They made a start on their homework.
Number 15, make time for. It means to allocate or find time for someone or something important.
Make time for your family despite your busy schedule. Make time for your family despite your busy schedule. She makes time for yoga every morning. She makes time for yoga every morning. He makes time for reading before bed. He makes time for reading before bed.